we are doing our best in Davao City to strengthen the army workforce in Davao City to support the local government in Davao. Following the spirit of importedness, we should live lives that are perfect. Here I ask, why the friend of your father, bring you business the peace of faith. That's something that I think is just a good sign, because I have always supported him when I did not support him. I have always supported his whatever it is decisions that he has personal and career decisions, politics, admittedly, I did not support, initially I did not support his intention to run for president, but now recently I did, and I think that the only way that I can help you as president is make sure that Davao City continues to progress in the Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. I am certain that as Colonel Mayor Sala will take oral orders from the Commander-in-Chief.
Darating ang panahon, dadako rin ang agila. Ikaw ang kanyang pag-asa sa mga maiwan niya. Kapag at malasakit ang nakita niya sa'yo, ikaw ngayon ang karugtong ng mga pangarap niya. Ipagpatuloy mo lang ang kanyang sinimulan na tinatamasa ngayon ng ating mamamayan. Lubos siya nagtitiwala sa iyong kakayahan, na ikaw ang susunod sa yakap niya. Kailangan ka ng lahat para sa ating bansa. Ang dugong gumandaloy ng agilan mong ama ay nasa katangian mo na mamuno ng bansang Pilipinas. O Inday Sara, kailangan ka ng ating mamamayan. O Inday Sara, kailangan. O Inday Sara, kailangan ka ng ating mamamayan. Ang agila ay napapagod na. Nais niya'y umuwi na sa kanyang tahanan. Maraming na itong nagawa at subok na. Ikaw ngayon ang kanyang asahan na lumipad. Ipagpatuloy mo lang ang kanyang sinimulan sumusunod sa yapak niya. Kailangan ka ng lahat para sa ating bansa.
To the high officials of the Philippine National Police and the Armed Forces of the Philippines, and I told them that I want new people and new ideas and the improvements for Davao City. For AFP, I was already given a name, but I cannot tell you. I just wait for the turnover. For the Davao City Police Office, I am still waiting for the short list. I discussed it on Saturday night with Director De La Rosa. I gave him a name. He refused to put that person as the city director. And then he gave me a name. I also refused for that person to be city director. So our compromise was he come up with a short list